Good morning. Good morning. We have new babies. So this rabbit gave birth this morning, and also one of our Angora also gave birth. She gave birth to five. Our babies are in here. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh. And also, so our Angora gave birth to one, but she did not prepare herself at all. Like she did not prepare. They say this one brought her so many fall, but she did not do anything, and she gave birth on this. That's the Angora. The Angora gave birth on this, and we don't know what happened, but the baby's leg got injured, so we had to take the baby out of that place and bring it here. It's also among, yeah, it's also among the babies here. So we brought it here. This rabbit can take care of the Angora's baby as well as our own. We're just praying the baby survives, because when my husband brought it out of that place, it was very cold, but now it's getting warm, so hopefully it survives. And the Angora is also still pregnant. Yeah, she still have babies in her that she's going to give birth to today, maybe today or tomorrow, because sometimes when they give birth to like one, later they, maybe a day or two, they give birth to more babies. So I think that's what is going to happen with her as well. This is the Angora that gave birth to a baby. He said she did not take out any of her fall, nothing. So what we did is, since she did not do that, we already put this corn pills in a box. But with the last baby, she did not give birth in the box. She gave birth on the net. So we just try to also put all of these on the net, just to prepare her, so we don't have that kind of accident again. We don't know what happened to the legs. Maybe the dogs, we don't know. Or maybe it just got hanged and we don't know. So we're not too sure. But hopefully she gave birth to more, and those ones we're praying they survive. Anyways, this one is still pregnant. We already put the box in a cage, so she can start preparing to give birth. Hopefully she too. We're praying she give birth in this box. I think she's preparing. She's preparing. Alright. And our winners, they're doing very well. I'm happy they survived even without their mother. And thank God, the time that she died, they've already started eating. So they did not really need her that much. But we needed her. But anyways, we lost her, so there's nothing we could do about that. So this one still, they're doing good. The five of them. All five of them are doing well. Now, this rabbit with 9 babies. Let's see. Kate. I mean, I love this rabbit. The fact that she is taking care of all 9 of them. I mean, look at them. Very healthy. Let me see. Oh. They're super healthy. Ooh, look at this one. yeah, there's six. There's six in this box. Also doing well. They'll be opening their eyes soon, like soon. Oh. So once they open their eyes, we'll take them out of this box and take the box out of here. Let's check. Oh my god, I love their colors. Like, they're so pretty. Wow, they're very big. Can you see this one? So big. So the one with 9 kids, we took 2 out of our cage and then brought them here. They're the white ones, these 2. So this one can also take care of them. You know, she have just 4 babies, so the burden can reduce for the one with 4. I think they are starting to open their eyes. Yes, it is open, but not fully open. That's the one. I love the color on this one. Now see something here. You won't know that they're just a day apart. So these ones are smaller, but they're very big. Good job, Mom. Good job.
Molly. Molly.
Our fatty bum bum. I wish this rabbit actually gave birth to more. I should have really taken care of them, just like this one. She's very good with taking care of her kids, and I love that. Oh my god, this rabbit is so big. It's super big. Now these ones, they are older than that one, but they're not as big. There's still 3 numbers. See, their eyes are fully open and they're just they've started eating. Like, they've started eating all those things, but we're still going to leave them here because they still need to take more breast milk, and after that we'll take them out of this. But once they're about 6 weeks, we'll take them out so they can start enjoying their own lives as well. One of these rabbits baby is always coming outside. I don't know what you're looking for outside. See, so we lost one a few days ago. They were supposed to be 6 in numbers, but now they were supposed to be 7. Yeah, 7 in numbers, and now they are 6. And she's also taking good care of her babies, which is good. So yesterday, not really yesterday, but then a few days ago, I counted, because it's been a while that I counted all our rabbits, and we realized that we have 84 rabbits in total, including the babies and the adults. So but then we lost one from this cage, so that means we're left with 83, and this morning we have 6 new babies. That is 89. I'm trying to what we want to do is try to get to 100 before the end of this year, like 100 adults. Yes, 100 adult rabbits. By December 31st, I want us to have 100 fully grown rabbits, not with babies, but fully grown rabbits here, and we're hoping to have that. Although it was almost 100 before, but then we sold some, we ate some, and now we want to really have that 100, at least get to that 100. Then that means we're going to need a whole lot of cage, because the cages we have right now cannot contain 100 rabbits, so we're going to build more. We did build one last week, but we still need to build something like that, maybe about 3 or 4 more, and that costs a lot, but we're going to do it before the end of this year. So guys, that's the update for today. I want to try feed them now. We're going to a bush around here to pick leaves. We want them to change, what they are going to eat this morning, instead of them taking this and the usual feed. We want them to have leaves this morning, so that's what we're going to do. It's just that one thing about these leaves is they don't really get full. They don't get full like this corn peel. And this corn peel, I love it for them, because see their poo. Can you see their poo? We were giving them feed like every day before, but we noticed that whenever they eat feed every day, their poo gets watery. It doesn't get this solid. Even with leaves, it gets solid, but not like this. It's still a bit soft, but see this one, very solid. And this is good. This is very good for them. So we just want to change up their taste this morning, and then in the evening they will eat these things again.